You didn't know? This video is about affiliate marketing for beginners. We're going to use Digistore24. When the lockdown happened, a lot of sports fans got shut out of betting on their favorite teams, and just, some people bet on every team, but it was all shut down because sports was gone. But pretty soon, sports is going to be up again, and sports betting is going to become a hot niche real fast. Find an affiliate product to promote, make yourself a web page, go to some forums, and promote your product. Stick to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you the number one reason why you're not going to make money online. The number one reason why, even after watching the video and learning something, you're not going to make any money online. You want to bet? Stick to the end of the video and find out. Okay, here we are in Digistore24, and we were talking about sports betting, and it's going to be a hot niche, and we need to find a product. So we go to Digistore24, we go over to the sidebar here where they have all the different niches. We go to the betting systems, and what do they have here? They got the Z code system, top betting system, get up to $670 per sale, 60% commission on a $194 sale. So $195 per sale, you're going to get 60% commissions. Okay, now let's take a look at this product. This is the affiliate sales page. Okay, this has all the tools you need to promote this product. Now, this product is having a contest. So if you get 40 sales during the contest, they're going to give you $500 in cash. 30 to 40 sales, you're going to get 300. Okay, and so on and so on for the contest. Now, as far as promoting, if you watch some of my other videos, you saw of that email marketing is the money's in the list, and the follow up with email marketing is the most important thing, because they're not gonna. You have to warm them up. They're not gonna buy on the first exposure. You're gonna have to warm them up a couple of times, sending them 3, 4, 5 emails after you've gotten their email to show them how valuable the product is, and why they need it, and how their life's going to improve with it, and what's going to happen if they don't get it, and so on. So they have a whole bunch of emails here already written, already figured out to be converting emails with all kinds of good language and all kinds of converting words and everything else. So all you have to do is copy and paste it into your list. Watch my other videos if you want to learn how to make a list. Very simply, it's very simple. Okay, now what else do they have here? I want to go down. They have all kinds of tools. It's telling you why you need to promote this stuff. So they've been around forever. And the best thing about this program is it's monthly. It's a monthly reoccurring membership. So they're going to pay $198 a month to be part of this program, and it's going to tell them what bets to make, and so it's 60% commission breakdown. So you're going to be making $118 per customer per month. Okay, so that's nothing to laugh at. Okay, I'm not going to go through the math on how much that is. If you drive 1,000 views and it's a 26% conversion, that's just, do the math. Okay, and they have an upsell for $118. Well, you get $89 cut out of that. All right. Let's zoom down to the bottom. They have widgets. If you have a website, and I'll show you how to build a website on other videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel so you learn all of this stuff. Affiliate marketing for beginners, by the way. I have a free course in the description for how to do affiliate marketing. And there's also a 14-day free trial for all the tools you need to start affiliate marketing, building websites, having email marketing, building an email list, and having an autoresponder, sales funnels, the whole 9 yards, all in one place. Okay, now if you have a website, they can put these widgets on. Okay, here it is. If you have a website, you can put the widgets on. It's a prediction widget, and you can put what team, what game is on, and it'll tell you which one, who's going to win. It runs you through all simulations and it has all kinds of parameters. Let's see what it says here. It takes a whole bunch of stuff into consideration and figures out who's going to win, and the probability is very high that it's correct. Okay, what else is going on down here? I wanted to see, here it is, the swipes. Okay, so now it's they have all kinds of stuff like this that you can post on your social media, in blog forums. I'm going to show you about forums in a second, but you're gonna put down here, this system made me $2,300, $23,000 in the last 6 weeks. Check it out. And you'd put your affiliate link in the forum, and it was free traffic. Or you can do ads for traffic, but and you could do SEO on your website too. But they have all the tools you need in the affiliate web page here, and they have all kinds of stuff. Here's that other live game simulator that I was telling you about. And so you choose what game, and they'll tell you, like the Devils and the Penguins. The Penguins were 53% favorites. Okay, and it'll tell you, and you can choose what games. It says select the game, and so gamblers go nuts for this kind of stuff. Okay, so all you got to do is put this kind of stuff in front of them. It's a monthly recurring membership fee, and you're going to be making a lot of money in no time at all. Now, here's the sales page for this offer. Now, I just wanted to go down here and show you. They have every sport you could think of. Okay, even UFC fighting. So even if you are a UFC fighter, if you like boxing, they're still gambling on that. They're gambling on rugby. They're gambling on football, basketball, volleyball. WNBA, NBA, NHL. Now, Major League Baseball is starting up in a couple of days, and that people are itching to gamble. Okay, so only get this out there. You got a couple of days to get it going. All right, now forums. Go to Google and search. Let me move over here. Search sports forums, and you join a couple of sports forums. And covers.com is a big one. Okay, and you would go there and you would make posts in different forums, because that's a whole bunch of forums and covers. And you would, depending on what subject you want to do, whether it's baseball or football or racing or boxing or whatever, you would find the right forum to go into, and you would go and post your links, and you would put the little paragraph on how you're successful. And they have all that kind of stuff on the affiliate page, and you just use it to promote the offer. Okay, now the other thing that I would tell you to do is create a web page. Now, you can create a web page pretty easily if you get some software. Like I have Builderall that I use, and it's all cut and paste, drag and drop. You can change all the colors, you can change the pictures, you can change the background, you can change the words, the font, the colors, everything. Okay, but this is just a template, and very simply and easily to build your own website. You'd have it up and running in a matter of hours. Okay, really, once you have all your information that you want to change it to, it's just a matter of copying and pasting it in there. Okay, and so there you go. Click the link in the description, take the course, figure out how to put this all into use, and you'll be making money within an hour. Okay, take the course. The course lasts about an hour. You'll get all the information you need. Now you've got a product. You've got a product. You know where to promote it, and you know how to build a website and where to go to get the tools to build a website, and you're on your way. Okay, leave a comment in the description if you need any help with anything else, and let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out. Okay, so. Now that you've sat through the whole video and you've learned a lot, you want to know why you're not going to make money online. What's the number one reason why people can't make money online, why people fail? The number one reason people fail online making money is lack of action. Okay, people do not take what they just saw and act on it and put it into action. And then, not for nothing, people get discouraged and quit after a month, 2 months, 3 months. You need dedicate a year to 3 years to building a business. It's a business. You're building a business. Okay, so take time, take effort, get training, get Builderall. If you're still here, I just suggest that you find an affiliate program such as FanDuel or something like that, where you could also set up and have your gamblers, where you can get an affiliate program, so you can get some affiliate commissions off their gambling winnings and losings. Okay, so that's something I would suggest for you to do, and to add it to your website and to your email campaigns and to all your other stuff.